Congratulations on completing another successful semester at CMU. Your final assignment for this course will be completing the comprehensive exam. Now, this is different in the sense that this exam is not over material that we focused on in this class. This is an assessment exam that essentially all minors and majors in ENT take, and it's to measure what you've learned over the entirety of your studies here. So it goes all the way back to your first class in ENT. And so this is a comprehensive examination in that respect. I do not create the exam questions, and I don't create the rules around the exam. That is an entrepreneurship department decision. So what you really need to understand is that this is not an easy exam in the sense that you only have 45 minutes to complete the exam. It's 50 questions, 45 minutes. That's really quick. So you cannot just blindly jump into this exam and try to take it. It will not go well for you in that regard. Now, thankfully, I've kept the points to a minimum on this. It's only worth 50 points. But what I've done to help you succeed and do well in this exam, I've actually given you a study guide. If you go into the week 8 folder, you'll see an ENT final comprehensive exam study guide. Or if you go into the ENT final comprehensive exam folder in Blackboard, you'll see the same study guide, which is actually part of this PowerPoint that I'm going over with you right now. So when will the final exam become available? It is available Sunday, April 21, 6 a.m. It will automatically close Friday, April 26. That's the end of the semester at 11:59. Barring an extraordinary occurrence, no late submissions. You'll just get a 0 for the exam because it is the end of the semester. You have 45 minutes to complete the exam. You have only one attempt. And like I said, it's 50 questions in 45 minutes. Now, when I flip the page here, I've given you essentially very similar questions to what you would find in the exam. I strongly encourage you to study this several times before you attempt the exam. So I'm not going to go through all of just to give you an idea of the stuff that's being tested. This goes all the way back to your accounting classes in entrepreneurship. So hard return on investment, ROI. Hard ROI refers to the measurements that tend to be easy to quantify and can contribute to your new venture success. Getting $10 back from a $5 investment. Free business model revenue streams, RS. The 3 free business model revenue streams: freemium, bait and hook, advertising. Network effect, the phenomenon whereby a product or service becomes increasingly valuable as more and more people use it. Again, I'm not going to go through these questions in this video. I've given you all these questions in the form of a PDF file in the week 8 folder and the final exam folder. So I encourage you to download it, study it, even maybe have it available to you when you are taking the exam. I'm okay with that. But just know that because it's 50 questions in 45 minutes, if you don't study in advance, it's going to be difficult even if you have a study guide in front of you, because it's just that quick of an exam. So please reach out to me if you have any questions.